Yo, what is up, everybody? So today I'm bringing you a very valuable tool, especially if you want to upgrade your content marketing game, if you're really serious about starting a personal brand, if you're really serious about leveraging the power of social media. I got something that you definitely want to take a look at because it's going to make your life so much easier when it comes down to managing all of the content, all of the social media profiles, and all of the brands that you have. Imagine having TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, all in one platform. You can just log in with one account and see all of the comments for all of your ecosystem. You can see all of the messages that are on your X, that are on your Facebook, that are on your Instagram, that's in your TikTok. Imagine seeing all of your messages from one screen. Imagine being able to upload one piece of content, like maybe one short form video, to 4 different social media platforms with one click. Well, that's a reality. This tool called Metricool can do all that. You can manage all of your social media profiles from one account. You can upload to multiple social media accounts from one account with one click. Let's dive in. Let's see how it looks like. On my left hand side, you can see my Instagram, you can see my Twitter, you can see my TikTok, even my Google business account, my YouTube account. Even if you have like a Twitch, if you have a Pinterest, if you have a LinkedIn account, you can connect all of that too. On the top right hand side, you can see all of the data on a time frame. So like, let's say I want to see the past 3 months for me, for my Facebook. As you can see, these are the metrics. Obviously, if you have a lot more engagement, if you have a lot more followers, if you have a lot more going on Facebook, the data is going to adjust and reflect accordingly here. You can see the growth over time, how many likes, how many times a post has been viewed. So if I show you all of my social media accounts at one time, you can see all of the impressions that I got on TikTok, all of the impressions I get on Instagram, on YouTube, on my Google business profile. You can see how my posts are doing when it comes to interaction. Like on Instagram, 48 interactions. On one of my TikToks, 29 more interactions. So even then you can keep track of how many times you've posted. And then it even goes on to show you the best performing videos from all of your social media platforms. In this case, TikTok for me is doing really well. As you can see, this TikTok had over 1,000 impressions, and it's gonna be the first one on the list because it has the most impressions. Then you have the second with most impressions, and so on. This is pretty much a summary of all of the important metrics for all of your social media profiles, and then you can go into each one if you wanted to. You can go into like TikTok individually. You can see the demographics. You can see who is looking at your content. You can see if it's male or female. You can see where your followers are from by country. You can see how many times people have viewed your profiles. You can see how many times your posts have been viewed in a period of time. You go down and then it gives you all kinds of really cool data. So if you like data, this is going to give you a lot of data. When you go to inbox, you're going to see all of your messages in one area. And this is probably the most coolest part right here, is when you click on planning. When you click on planning, you can do just that. You can plan to post. So like, let's say you go on create post. You can click on which social media platforms you want this particular piece of content to go on. Like I said, with the click of one button, you can upload to all of these social media profiles if you wanted to. All you really got to do is just go down here where it says add multimedia, click on that. You go to add an image or a video. Like, let's say I want to upload this particular photo. It has to be, obviously TikTok you can only do video. On YouTube it has to be video. So like, obviously in this case you can't upload TikTok and YouTube. It has to be a compatible platform if you're going to do photos. So I could just come back here to the top, get rid of any social media platforms that only do photos. So in this case, it's just my Twitter and my Facebook account that do photos. So as you can see, it gives me the chance to actually submit it now. I can go to schedule and I can click on the time and date that I want it. Let's say I want to have it automatically post on Monday at 6:10 p.m. I can put schedule, and then if I go over here to my calendar, go to April 8th, and I show you what I'm looking at here, you can see my post is scheduled for the 8th at 6:10 to automatically post. So that's so cool. If you are managing multiple social media brands, if you're really serious about creating content and really creating a personal brand, a tool like this is going to make your life 10 times easier. I promise you. From one single account, you can access all of your social media platforms. You can post and schedule your content. You can really plan things out, and you can really, show the world the right kind of message. Trying to keep things organized from one account, you can do just that. So I really, guys, I really recommend you guys check it out.